How would you characterize the level of risk in these markets right now?
Look, I mean, I think obviously over the past week, we've heightened the risk premium in the market. But I have to tell you, I think that the market has responded, quite in an orderly manner. If someone had said this would have happened a month ago, I think the prediction was oil would have spiked more, and we haven't really had it. So, I think that the market is waiting to digest, obviously, the next steps from Israel. But right now, it seems like, there's a steady hand behind the market. You're starting to see some rallies around the globe right now, and maybe, cooler heads will prevail, and we can get to some sort of an idea of what the next couple of weeks, will bring us.
Yeah, it certainly looked like the stocks and markets were able to shrug off the market risk for now, at least, with some of the renewed geopolitical risk there and earnings. Also, of course, rising yields. Given the degree of uncertainty out there right now, it does seem like the mantra in the market is one of patience. So what does that mean for allocation? Certainly, how do you position in such uncertain times?
Yeah, listen, I mean, we've been speaking about these allocation ideas for a while. Unfortunately, it's a pretty boring allocation. Most of the money just finds its way into the mega cap tech stocks in the U.S. I don't see that changing in the near future. You've got a lot of uncertainty in the market. You've got Powell speaking on Thursday. He's managed to put himself in a position where he has to basically thread the needle every time he speaks. It's not a very desirable position for anyone to be in. I can't say, though, that he hasn't put himself there. I think that the Fed is way ahead on the rate raise schedule. I think that they should be kind of looking the other way. And I often say, people have to look at it in this fashion. The two largest economies in the world, the U.S. and China, we have the PBOC and the Fed on diametrically opposed monetary policy programs. How long does that happen for, and who's right? My gut says what the PBOC is doing is a better solution for what's going on in the market. And I think that they're seeing a lot more things, and I think we're going to get the read-throughs, and we'll be reversing course in the U.S. in due time.